If a picture tells you 1,000 words, a good chart tells you 1,000,000. So we went out to 3 leading fixed income managers and asked them which chart to watch in 2020. So what will be your one chart to watch above all others next year, and why is it important?
I think for Australia it has to be commodity prices. Obviously we've had a pretty powerful rally. A lot of that has been supply induced because of accidents offshore. That supply is coming back online, and clearly we need China and the likes to still be a very heavy consumer. We know that the Chinese economy has had its own issues, and so whether they're going to be consuming at the same rate at a time when supply will be coming back will be very important as to where Australia finally lands. It's looking good at the moment, but it's clearly the one to watch and very important for the Australian economy and its outlook.
Well, I think the one chart that worries me the most is that when you look at some of the surveys, measures that we have on where the tightness in the US labour market actually is, it's suggesting a marked step up from here, from where wages growth could go. The general expectations of wages are not really growing that fast and will likely peter out. If those survey points are correct, and they have been correct since the mid-1990s, are getting a good gauge of where inflation's going, that will turn markets on their head around about the middle part of next year.
Looking ahead to 2020, global growth should be a little bit better next year compared to this year, and that's really as a result of the central bank activity that's occurred. In that environment, Australia will continue to muddle through, and so we're really looking at the labour market, and if we see unemployment starting to rise next year, we know that that's a cue for the RBA to act.